Recent data from the Australian Taxation Office reveals a 25% increase in SMSF property investment, now reaching $66 billion. Trustees are increasingly using property to diversify portfolios and secure long-term retirement growth. 2007. Introduction of Limited Recourse Borrowing Arrangements, LRBAs. Before 2007, SMSFs couldn't borrow to invest in property. But with the introduction of Limited Recourse Borrowing Arrangements, this barrier was removed, giving trustees new opportunities for property investment. Key Amendments 2010. Asset Protection. Single Acquirable Asset, Bare Trust Requirement. In 2010, superannuation laws were refined to enhance asset protection and clarify borrowing rules. Key changes included the need for a bare trust and restrictions on borrowing for property improvements. LRBAs played a significant role in the property market recovery, contributing to growth rates of 7 to 12% annually since 2012. SMSFs leveraged their funds, increasing resilience and growth in Australia's property market. Steps for property investment within LRBA. 1. Review investment strategy. 2. Search and pre-approval. 3. Set up bare trust. 4. Final loan approval and settlement. To invest using an LRBA, SMSF trustees should follow a structured process. Review the investment strategy, secure a pre-approved loan, set up a bare trust, and settle the property. Let's take Maria, an SMSF trustee, as an example. Maria wants to buy a $500,000 investment property through her SMSF using an LRBA. Since her fund doesn't have enough cash, she arranges a loan secured against the property itself. With proper legal structure, including a bare trust, Maria successfully purchases the property, benefiting from the limited recourse loan protection and strong market growth. At trustee.com.au, we provide expert support in setting up compliant bare trusts for your SMSF property investment. Our team is here to guide you through every step of the process. Visit trustee.com.au today for expert SMSF property solutions. You can also call us on 02-9684-4199. We would be glad to assist you.